Welcome to the Upgrade CABI Server on a Robot video. In this video, I will show you an overview of the tasks you must complete to successfully upgrade your CA Business Intelligence dashboards. I will also discuss some items you should be aware of to avoid issues with the upgrade process. If you need detailed step-by-step instructions for any of the tasks discussed in this video, refer to the Install or Upgrade CA Business Intelligence article in the CA Unified Infrastructure Management documentation. A link is provided in the video description. The examples shown in this video are based on CA Unified Infrastructure Management version 8.5.1 and CABI Probe version 2.0. There are several installation and upgrade paths available for CABI Server. The process you choose depends on the conditions for your particular environment. In this video, I am discussing the process for upgrading CABI Server. You need to follow the process for upgrading CABI Server if you have deployed an earlier version of the CABI Probe. Your CABI Server is automatically upgraded when you redeploy a new version of the CABI Probe. But there are additional steps you must complete to have a successful upgrade and be able to view the CA Business Intelligence dashboards in UMP. The first step is to verify that you meet the minimum requirements for deploying the CABI Probe. To successfully deploy the probe, make sure that you have upgraded to the version of CA Unified Infrastructure Management required for your version of the CABI Probe, and that you have the new version of the CABI Probe in the CA Unified Infrastructure Management archive. You also need to make sure that your CABI Server robot meets the minimum requirements for disk space, memory, and CPUs. This robot should be connected to the primary hub and be a dedicated system for running CABI Server. I will now discuss the step for redeploying the CABI Probe. Deploy the new version of the CABI Probe to your CABI Server robot. Here in Admin Console you can see that the CABI Probe version is updated and an updated version of WASP is also deployed to the CABI Server robot as part of the redeployment process. Be aware that during the CABI Server upgrade, WASP will restart. This process can take up to 20 minutes to complete. It is extremely important that you do not try to manually restart WASP before the deployment is complete. If you attempt to manually restart WASP, your deployment will not be successful. Once the deployment process is complete, you must update the Unified Dashboards menu. This step is required because the Liferay archive files that generate the Unified Dashboard menu items in UMP are not automatically updated. You can see here that there is no menu option for the CA Business Intelligence dashboards. Once an administrator updates the Liferay archive file for each user or user group, you will be able to see the new CA Business Intelligence dashboard items. For most users, the upgrade process is complete. These are the minimum steps you must complete to upgrade CABI Server and your CA Business Intelligence dashboards. But depending on your environment, there might be some optional tasks. For example, if your CA Unified Infrastructure Management environment uses SSL encryption, you might need to upgrade some self-signed certificates. To see what optional tasks might be applicable for your environment, refer to the Install or Upgrade CA Business Intelligence article in the CA Unified Infrastructure Management documentation. A link to this article is provided in the video description. Make sure you are looking at the correct article for your version of CA Unified Infrastructure Management. For additional information about the CA Business Intelligence dashboards, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can go to Product Documentation, visit the UIM community, or see the learning path.